The sound or. How is the sound or pronounced?
It is pronounced or.
Can you say or?
Very good. The sound or has many different spellings. These include O-R, O-R-E, O-A-R, O-U-R, O-O-R, and A-R. Now let's take a look at some examples of these different spellings. Orc,
Fork.
K,
Or.
core,
B.
ord,
Board.
f,
Or.
for,
D.
or,
Door.
war, warm.
The sound or is voiced, meaning your vocal cords vibrate when producing the sound. Your tongue stays in the lower middle part of your mouth, and your lips are rounded when pronouncing the sound or. Arrow 1 points to the vocal cords, and arrow 2 points to the tongue. This sentence contains many examples of the common English sound or.
She got to the core of her apple by using a fork. Quick recap time.
The sound or has many different spellings and appears in many words.
It is pronounced or and is a very common sound in the English language.
Words like fork, core, board, for, door, and warm all include the sound or.